That's what a picture.
I worship him. I worship him. Kill me for worship. Kill me, Satan. Satan! God is to be worshipped. Hallelujah. 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 Adversary. Hallelujah. Daddy God. Oh God, in the name of Jesus, I bound you, Satan.
I know if I go to police, you're going to get arrested. You know that.
Call the police, my friend. Call them.
You need to go, man. Come on, let's go, man. We got no day for this, man.
Satan! Me and the police, my friend. Call them and see if they're not worshiping.
Come on, man.
Police are here,
Come on, let's go, man.
Adversary.
Come on.
Bound you. Call them. Only you wanna call them and save them alone.
Yeah, man, you need to take out time now.
God! God! You want to stop this man provoke me?
Man.
God, you want to stop you? God, why you don't stop him, sir? God, are you not God? You ever let the devil rule you, sir?
I'm not
and exalt over you.
Ma'am, you look possessed.
Oh, to hell.
You need to go, ma'am.
Satan!
You need to step out, please.
Satan!
Ma'am, you need to take that outside.
Rebuke the blood, the blood, the blood, the blood. I'm going to God shut down this place.
Thank you. Have a good day.
God! If you don't show them sign, they don't know who you are. Show them sign and take the money from them.
Ma'am, you gotta go.
Shut it down, God!
Ma'am, you need to go.
Don't come up in your face. Don't come up in your face. Don't come up in your face. Anyone who speaks. I'm going to make God lock it down. God will lock it down. Watch it. I root to God. God will lock it. God, lock it down. Make them out, man.